He is one of the best client I've ever had. Ginatagan ko si client option, okay? Wala ako mahimo if you decide. Nag-refuse na sa mag-pirma, by the way. I just wanted to share sa akong experiences sa akong client, and I'm not so sure if I can mention ang iyang alan, but he is one of the best client I've ever had. Best in a way nga qualities ng brains, ang iyang utok, ang pagintindi, and the patience, and he writes books, by the way, and by business siya. If you're familiar sa mga flip top, okay, he's kind of a huge person here, or one of the top person niya related sa mga industry. Flip top, basta may mga flip top, tanan yung mga flip toppers, yung mga if you're a fan sa flip top, tanan na rest assured, I think na-encounter niya na good buddies niya, or he's a organizer sa mga events, and he has a brand, okay, together with his lovely wife. I'm talking about, ang brand nila by the way is RX Panda, and during the release, let's not mention it, but okay, going back is that one thing I admire sa kanya client niya is ang patience, okay, and okay, for those who are planning to buy a car, is gusto ko man express, these are the things that we cannot control, okay? We as agents are only good as what our seniors or in charge people, what we say, kung ano lang ginambal nila, amo lang ginamarelay namon, okay? So we cannot control sa mga sitwasyon. For example, what I'm talking about is on shipment, because what happened was, ang akon yung kliyente, we got rescheduled like, I don't know, 5 times, 6, and sa akon, adiragid yung sa kaprang loya, okay? One of the, hindi mo siya mabang, pet peeves, though, ang isa sa nabudlayan yung gid, okay? But then, I know as an agent, always, hindi kagid maghatag sang like final, but din kabudlay siya kasi si client, ito pa kayo, man sang definite time, they want definite time, okay? And ikaw sa client, as an agent, of course, kadto ko sa inventory, pamangkot ka, sa nugid mamabot ni inventory, habalong ka mo na and then, there's, say, Fujitrans, or ang mga shipping company, mambalong nga, ma'am sure na gid ni ba. Ara nang bangkot ang barko tuod, hindi ka unload or things like that. So damo factor yung mga effect. So natabo is multiple times na threaten na si client. Just very very reasonable, understandable. Naintindihan yung gid, and okay, ako willing ako ginatagan ko si client option, okay? Wala ako mahimo if you decide yung magkuhan. Because of course, damo competition, okay? Ang client, especially kung may nagbayad for a cash transaction, any time of the day, okay? Walk in siya sa aga, release ang salaki ang pag-apon. That's how easy and fast it is maghalin. And yeah, clients always have the upper hand, but then, wala lang. Ang kliyente as in, grabe ang patience, grabe ang pag-intindi, just kudos sa client. And he gave me something during release, and I genuinely believe niya he's one of the best client, and I even tried niya pa yun sa autograph, but he refused, okay? But I think it's way past those nag-refuse sa mag-pirma, by the way, it's because it's for the artist. And sa ako naman, ako remembrance tani siya how great of a client he is. That's it. Okay, so shout out sa kay Doc, RX Panda. Doc, thank you so much, and yeah, that's it.